Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into WhatsApp on PC. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open WhatsApp on your PC. You will be able to see the QR code. You can use this to sign in. Let me show you how. Open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the three dots at the top right. Here, tap Settings. Tap the QR code icon at the right of your profile and tap Scan QR code. On the pop-up, tap Continue to allow access to the camera and allow the permissions. Tap OK. Now scan the QR code on your PC. Tap Continue. Here, tap Link a device and scan the QR code again. And that's how you log into WhatsApp on PC. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.